fellow nerds. Motor City Games here with a Shadowfist Shurikens and Six Guns box opening. Nothing on the back. Here we go. Yippee-yi, yo-kai-ya. There we go. Back to 1860. It's a 2006. As printed in Canada. Back before everything was printed in China. So let's take a look here. There's 24 booster packs. This, being a historian, should be a hoot. Check the box. Alright, so here is the booster pack from this expansion for Shadowfist. Let's go on the back. There we go. There we go. 2006. Shadowfist is trademark and copyright Z-Main Games. Alright. Shadowfist back with both six guns blazing. The Wild West meets the Wild East in 1860 as cowboys face off against Shaolin monks. Evil demons rule frontier towns with a scaly fist, and the Thunder King tries to take over the world. Plus, after the critical shift, 2066 is now ruled by a brand new faction, the mysterious Syndicate. Yeah. So this is going to be just, I know nothing about Shadowfist. I never played it back in the day. Got that oil rollers smell from Print Factory. Hyper Alloy Blade. Ooh, that definitely looks like it hurts. I like the art style. It's definitely Street Sweepers, Triad Punks. Interesting. Okay, so that one's a circle. Like I heard, nothing happens. And they have a tumbleweed, which I love. And Yosef Halevi, Kabbalah Sorcerer. Mike Jackson. So I wonder if these have rarity listed anywhere on them. Probably do, and I'm just too stupid, or they don't, because this is from 06. But yeah, we'll just keep going through these puppies. I'm sure somebody will watch this and they can tell me if any of these are good. Hydrophobia. Oof. Okay. Blood Eagles. That's wicked. Sacred Wigwam. I guess this is appropriate timing with, is that foil? No. With, Boot Hill. Love it. Outlaws of Thunder Junction coming out soon from Magic next month. So, they did it first. And so did, Doomtown, I think, was the other one. That's like Poker and Wild West. Rise of the Neo Burrow. Wow. Jessica Ng. Personality. Six gun. Interesting that there's no hammers. Oh, I guess the hammers are pulled back on those. There's one bullet for each of you. He's wearing his Fairweather Christian belt under his... whatever. Just a scratch. God, oh, the Big Red Barn. It's so funny, the artwork. It runs the gamut from... like, this is a fun, you know... Master and Commander artwork. And then you have, like, the cover of a Harlequin novel. But... that sets it apart from other games. Ooh, Fire Ants, yeah. Leninger and the Ants, I think, is the story. Simple Paper Fan. Ooh. Oh, he's supposed to be a U.S. Brother will fight brother. It is a way of things. So it's supposed to be the Civil War, I guess. I don't. He's got short sleeves on and a... I don't know. Universal Library. Oh, format soldiers. So... Secret Shock troops. So they're supposed to be wearing like Civil War kind of clothes that not at all like it at all. Mr. Mike Jackson. Reminds me a little bit of the artwork from Earl Mason, the Hanging Judge. The artwork from Dixie, which I bought when that came out originally, and it should be just called Charlie Brown. Demon Whiskey, I like it. But like this, great. Zane Grey cover right there. Senoritas. Oh, yeah. There we go. Woohoo! My favorite card so far. And Joshua Norton. Emperor. Oh, my gosh. The Emperor of the U.S. Yeah, and they have his picture on there, too. The dude from California who declared himself Emperor. Nice. Okay, that makes me happy knowing that other people know about Emperor Norton the First. There will be blood. A lot of street sweepers. Is McFoley hiding in there somewhere? The golden spike. Oh. Okay. Yep, the history nerd of me is happy with these references to golden spike and things like that. You lucky bastard. Sorry, man. Ooh, detonating corpses. That, all of a sudden I thought, did I accidentally get a card from the spoils in here? Dead will serve, one way or another. Steam powered tricycle with a monkey on it. This, Seven Samurai mixed with Magnificent Seven, which was a takeoff of the Seven Samurai. So that's fun. Come on, there she is. Gambler. What are these? Oh, hideout. Chain lightning. Thunderbirds are goo. This definitely looks like something that I should try to. I think I can pick up some starter decks on Noble Knight or Category 1. This is definitely something that would be fun to do a mini draft with some buddies, and just everybody gets a starter deck and we just take 2 or 3 packs of Devolver. Nice. Turn her into a baby. High Noon. Well, we learned from Indiana Jones that he gonna die. Potlatch. Nice. Really, you shouldn't have. With the totem pole, which great referencing the Inuit or Eskimo culture with the potlatch. Fun fact, totem poles were not actually originally part of their culture until they met the white man who showed them tools that they could use. And they used those for carving the wood to make the totem poles. Naguti, tribal chief. Oh, that's cool. Wait, as well as bows in their hands, but there's no bows in their hands. But cool artwork. Dog soldiers, nice. Dog face pony soldier. Evacuation 2066. Ooh, unturn. You are plan B. Oh, unturn is their untap. Fastest gun in the West. Walk away, kid. Just walk away. Mother Norton. Ooh. Yeah, again, very spoils style. Bainswitch, Moonlight Raid, Rangers, Firewoman. Involuntary embalming. Wow. Yeah. Strange Ore. Echo and Silence. Nice. A fun aesthetic of cyberpunk with Far East. Just a scratch again. Skin and Darkness patch. Nice. Cavalry Regiment. Caught them with their pants down. Wait, is them attacking? Oh, I thought it was Confederates. I'm not sure. It's Shaolin Hoedown. Well, that sounds like a nice. Oh, his guns speak for him. All of a sudden, it was like what Kwai Chang Kane from Kung Fu. I think I saw maybe one episode. I grew up with Kung Fu: The Legend Continues, and I watched that every week. Monkey Pirates. Frenzy of the Shark. The Insidious Dr. Fermat. Oh, there we go. Mad Mathematician. Mastermind. Oh, the Confederate flag in the back? Oh no, maybe it's like a crystal or something. I was going to say, nowadays they couldn't have the Confederate flag, even if it was a history, Civil War kind of era game. Two-headed horror. Ooh, that's Yowza. Black Ophir. Gorilla Bartender. Water? What kind of saloon do you think this is? Wait a second, I don't know why the gorilla talked like that, but anyway. I guess I should save one of these packs, because this is fun. Oh, there we go. Shurikens. The Jackson Gang. If you want to get started something, got to be starting something. Wild Spirits. Another one of him. Ooh, Midnight. That's cool. Demon Horse. They didn't call it Nightmare, huh? Morse Code Poet. Nice. Oh my gosh. I don't remember my Morse code. I gotta look that up. I love that they did that. That's cool. Another one of him. 4 packs left. Weird Science. Friends of the Patent Office. Thunderstick. Whoa, that's definitely a Thunderstick. Makes you think of Agent Tanaka. Guns of the South, that's it. That novel with going back in time to give AK-47s or M16s something to the Confederates. Fistful of dollars. Oh, Bloody Herd, that's funny. Vampire Cattle, Swift Eagle, nice. I was hoping I'd get Fistful of Dollars and then a few dollars more. Math Bomb, nice. Wall Running, Parkour, Anastasia. The Orphan Ice Ward. What is that, Nancy Kerrigan? Alright, and the last pack. And then I shut up, liquored up. Blasting Crew, nice. Thunder in the West. Horse Thief, Dr. Quentin Higginsbottom, Weirder Scientist, love it. Yeah, this looks like it could be fun to play, especially with the flavor. Reminds me of Spoils, and that is a very good thing. So there you have it. Shadowfist Shurikens and 6 Guns expansion. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a great day.
I wanna be a cowboy, baby, with a top left.